Hey guys, Mike here. I'm making this short video to show you how to participate in the Flappy Bird airdrop. First things first, click the link in the description of this video so you'll be prompted to launch the new Flappy Bird game on the Telegram app and also be eligible to earn a bonus on sign up. Once you've done that, you would then be in the Flappy Bird mini app on Telegram. On this screen, you can earn some Flappy points by clicking on the option to the right of your play button by completing tasks. Some of these tasks include following the official Flappy Bird Twitter, sharing the Flappy Bird mini app, or by clicking your daily free gift. Next screen is for the future airdrop. Playing the game and completing challenges gets you more points for the future airdrop. And the next screen is the upgrade screen. Here you can complete challenges to earn more Flappy points for the upcoming airdrop. So that's all there is to know about the upcoming Flappy Bird airdrop. Make sure to use my link in the description and get to flapping because I think this airdrop is going to be huge. Thanks for watching.